Welcome to One Yan Feng Shui channel, where we explore the mystical world of Feng Shui and uncover the secrets behind ancient Chinese beliefs. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of feline superstitions, the mysterious world of cats in Chinese folklore. Did you know that these furry creatures were not just adorable companions, but also believed to be guardians against evil spirits? Let's unravel the mystique surrounding these feline friends. In ancient China, cats were seen as protectors due to their unique abilities. Their keen night vision was thought to ward off evil spirits, making them the ultimate guardians of the household. And here's a curious belief. Since cats had a knack for hunting rats, they were considered protectors of silkworms, which were believed to be threatened by those pesky rodents. Now, here's a quirky tip. Some believe that merely hanging a picture of a cat on the wall could keep evil spirits and rats at bay. Imagine that. A simple solution for a harmonious home. But, like any good story, there's a flip side. Stray cats were seen as bearers of bad luck, especially when it came to financial matters. It was thought that encountering a stray cat could bring about unfortunate financial outcomes. So, whether you see a cat as a guardian or a potential harbinger of bad luck, the world of feline superstitions is as diverse as it is intriguing. Join us on Wan Yan Feng Shui channel as we continue to unravel the mysteries of ancient Chinese beliefs and practices. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fascinating insights. Until next time, may positive energy flow into your life.